Welcome students. Previous video we taught the perimeter of the given. We taught about the perimeter. So perimeter means just sum of the given length. Okay, sum of the given length. Just we add the given sides. Whatever maybe the regular figure or irregular figure also. How to find how to add the how to find out the perimeter. We will discuss in previous videos. So today we will discuss move on next title for area. Area, I already told you the difference between perimeter and area. Area means it's the surface, amount of surface enclosed by closed figure. Okay, any closed figure, amount of the surface enclosed by any closed figure is called its area. Example, if you want to find out the area of any classroom or ground, any field, okay, we how to find out the area. So in area, we can express in three ways. Okay, the units of area are the square of the units of length. Square of units of length. The area is expressed as centimeter. Suppose if you want to express as centimeter, square centimeter. Okay. If you want to express as a meter, square meter. If you want to express as a kilometer, square kilometer. So these three ways we can express as a area. Listen carefully. Centimeter means square centimeter. Meter means square meter. Kilometer means square kilometer. So area means amount of surface enclosed by a closed figure. It's called its area. Okay students, I told you what is the area. It's an enclosed surface of the closed figure. I told you. So amount of the surface closed area. It's called its area. I told you. So there are two ways we can find the area. First one, by dividing the region. By dividing the region into unit square. So given the area, we have to divide it by each region is equal square. We have to divide and we can count and we have find the area. Or we have second method by using formula. So first method, how to find out the area of the region. So if you see the diagram A, B, C, D, it's a square. Okay. Now we want to find out how much square units are there. So each square box has been divided into equal units. 1 square centimeter. Each box is equal to 1 square centimeter. So how many area are there? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. 5 5s are 25. Means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. How many square boxes are there? 25 square centimeters. So how many squares are there? 25 square centimeters are there. So directly we can count and we can find the area of the square. Okay students, for finding the area, first method, there is a square units are there. Directly we can count and we can find the area of the square. So now we will find out the second method for finding the area of rectangle. Okay, rectangle, I told you the definition of rectangle, opposite sides are equal. It's called a rectangle. Okay, so for finding the area of rectangle, there is a formula for finding the area. Okay, the formula is very important. Formula for find the area of rectangle. Area of rectangle formula is A means area. Area is equal to length into breadth. Length multiplied by breadth. Means L means length, B means breadth. You know very well rectangle. Rectangle means the two sides. The two sides are lengthy place. Then the two sides are short place. So opposite sides are equal. So this side we measure as a length, this side we will measure as a breadth. Okay. So as for that, how to find out this area of the rectangle? How to find out? Okay, area of the rectangle. So you know very well, perimeter means just outline, only outline length, but the area means surface of the amount of the surface, So we use formula and find out the area of the given rectangle figure. So example, find the area of rectangle PQRS. Okay, it's a rectangle shape having length L is equal to 7 centimeter, then breadth is equal to 5 centimeter. So we have to draw rough diagram of the given measurement. So you assume length 7 centimeter, breadth 5 centimeter. So we have to use formula for finding area of the rectangle. A is equal to area L into B. So A is equal to length is 7 multiplied by breadth is 5. So total area is equal to 7 5s are 35 square centimeter. It's very important when you are writing answer. 35 is the product of the length and breadth. 35 square centimeter. Suppose if they give measurement meter, you have to write square meter. Suppose if they give kilometer, then you have to write square kilometer. Like that you have to write.